Hi there. Welcome back to English Simplified channel. In this session, we're going to cover verb-ing. The ing form of a verb can serve several grammatical functions in English, as a gerund, as continuous or progressive tenses, and as an active participle. Let's break down each usage with examples to clarify the differences. A gerund is a verb form ending in ing that functions as a noun. Gerunds can act as the subject, object, or complement of a sentence. In continuous, or also known as progressive tenses, the ing form of the verb is used along with a form of the auxiliary verb to be, such as am, is, are, was, were, been, and be, plus the ing form of the main verb to indicate an ongoing action. This can apply to different tenses such as present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, etc. The ing form can also function as an adjective, describing a noun. This is often referred to as an active participle when it describes the action of the noun. See these examples so that you're able to differentiate when the verb ing acts as a gerund in progressive continuous tense and as an adjective or active participle. 1. Verb ing as gerund. Example: swimming is a good workout. In this sentence, the word swimming is a gerund. It is the subject of the sentence acting as a noun that describes the activity. Here is another example. She enjoys dancing. In this sentence, the word dancing is also a gerund. It is the object of the verb enjoys, receiving the action of enjoying. 2. Verbing in continuous or progressive tense. Present continuous, she is reading a book. Past continuous, they were playing soccer when it started to rain. Future continuous, we will be traveling next month. 3. Verbing as adjectives, active participles. Example: the crying baby needs attention. In this sentence, the word crying describes the baby, indicating the action the baby is doing. Another example: it was an exciting game. In this sentence, the word exciting describes the game, conveying that the game created excitement. One more: they stayed at a charming inn. In this sentence, the word charming describes the inn, suggesting that the inn has a pleasant quality. Alright, here are some multiple choice questions to test your understanding of whether the ing form is used as a gerund in the present progressive tense or as a participle. 1. Identify the use of the ing form in the following sentence. Reading helps improve vocabulary. A. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: A. Gerund. Explanation: reading functions as the subject of the sentence. It acts as a noun, which is characteristic of a gerund. 2. She is running a marathon tomorrow. A. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: progressive tense. Explanation: running is part of the present progressive tense, which is formed with the verb to be, is, plus the ing form of the main verb, running. This indicates an action that is ongoing or planned. 3. The smiling children played in the park. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: C. Explanation. Smiling describes the children and functions as an adjective. This is an example of a present participle used to describe a noun. 4. Swimming is a good exercise. A. Gerund. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: explanation. Swimming is the subject of the sentence and acts as a noun, making it a gerund. 5. They are watching a movie. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. B. Progressive tense. Explanation: watching is part of the present progressive tense formed with are, present tense of to be, plus watching, the ing form of the verb. This shows an ongoing action. 6. The teacher appreciated her helping the students. A. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: A. Gerund. Explanation: Helping functions as the object of the verb appreciated. It acts as a noun here, indicating the action that the teacher appreciated, which makes it a gerund. 7. The burning candle flickered in the wind. A. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: participle. Explanation. Burning describes the candle and functions as an adjective. This is a present participle used to describe the noun candle. 8. I enjoy cooking in my free time. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. Explanation. Cooking is the object of the verb enjoy. It functions as a noun, making it a gerund. 9. He is painting a landscape. A. Gerund. B. Progressive tense. C. Participle. Answer: progressive tense. Explanation. Painting is part of the present progressive tense, formed with is, present tense of be, plus painting, the ing form of the verb. This indicates an ongoing action. 10. The crying baby needed a nap. Gerund. B. Present progressive tense. C. Participle. C. Participle. Crying describes the baby and functions as an adjective. This is a present participle used to describe the noun baby. Summary. Gerunds function as nouns. They can be subjects, objects, or complements in sentences. Continuous progressive tense, formed with the present tense of to be, am, is, are, was, were, been, be, the ing form of the main verb, indicating ongoing actions. Adjectives, active participles, describe nouns, indicating an ongoing action or state related to the noun. That's our discussion for this session. See you soon!